I'm so excited to tell you about Gardenary's new salad garden system. It comes with a cedar raised bed. You can choose between this standing planter or our small 4x4 bed. Both have these beautiful caps to finish off the bed, make it look awesome and full of salad. Then you're going to get our best tools for planting. First up, you're going to get our planting line. This helps ensure that each of your lines of salad are perfectly straight and beautiful. Next up, you're going to get our rake. This rake ensures that you can keep the soil really nice and level as you plant out your salad seeds. Next, you're going to get our seed spacing ruler. This keeps all the seeds perfectly spaced so each plant gets the space it needs and nothing more. Then you're going to get our plant tags. These are our favorite tags for gardening, and they're going to look great in your salad garden. And then finally, you're going to get our favorite salad garden seeds. We've got butterhead, we've got spinach, Swiss chard, arugula, so much inside of our favorite salad garden seeds that are all included. So this is this salad garden system. I've been growing salad for years, and it is still hands down my favorite thing to grow in the garden. And this kit is going to make it possible for you to grow your own salad too. You can find out how to get your own salad garden system right below this video.